y'all how to do the 4-digit, and I want to show y'all how to do the 3-digit. So come, gather in. I'll wait till y'all get here. Let me start setting it up. Then I'm about to show y'all something else to put in y'all toolbox. So this is how y'all should set y'all paper up. Michigan got 906. This the method +1 -1, method +3 -3, method +2 -2. This will be a new method. You can use it for your 4-digit. I'll wait till y'all gather in. I'll put the phone down until y'all get in here. So don't be alarmed because you see it's like that. I just got the phone down so I could do it at all one time. So gather in. I'll show y'all how to do the 3-digit. It's a little bit easier than a 4-digit because you don't have to spin the block so many times and there's not so many boxes for you. And then I'm gonna show you how you can pull your 4-digit out of your 3-digit hit. Also, what I'm gonna do is, let me see. We're going to use, let me see what we got for yesterday. I'm gonna show y'all how to back test. So yesterday Eve, we got, this end would be back testing. So yesterday Eve, we got 331 +1 -1 3 3 1. We're gonna do method +3 -3, and this is the new one, +2 -2, and we're back testing from yesterday Eve. Come, gather in. I'm gonna wait till a few more people come in. If you want to, while we waiting on others to come in, look what y'all got yesterday Eve and set it up like this. I'm gonna show y'all how to back test, because Eve number should come out of what we got for midday. So come, gather in. Gonna sit the phone down so I get a few more people so they don't come in and say they missed it because I was just going and y'all know I'm not going back. So I'm gonna sit the phone down. We got one person. Not sure if it's a real person, not sure if you're trolling, but whatever you're here for, congratulations. You're gonna learn something by accident. So when y'all get in, let me know when y'all ready. If y'all ready, thumbs up. I'm not gonna wait that long because I didn't start Eve rundowns yet, but I want to show y'all how to do the 3-digit since I showed y'all how to do the 4-digit, and I want to show y'all how to back test. So when you come in, if you're ready and you want to go, let's go. Push ready or type in ready, and I'll show y'all how to do this 3-digit. And then you'll have homework for the 3-digit as well. This is only for Michigan, but you can set your paper up using what you got today for midday and use for what you got for the 3-digit for Eve yesterday. I see they coming in and leaving. Those mostly are the trolls. So that's what's up. Keep it moving. When you're ready for me to go and you set your paper up, let me know, and then we'll get it started. Again, I'm about to teach y'all how to back test, and I'm about to teach y'all how to pull the 3-digit numbers out of what I just taught y'all from the earlier live. Let me know when y'all are ready by saying ready, and I'll go. If not, I'll talk to myself. Y'all know I don't have no problem with it. and y'all could just watch this video over again. So I'll wait a few more seconds because I still haven't started Eve yet. But I thought since I showed y'all the 4-digit, why not teach you the 3-digit? So let me know when y'all ready. Again, you can't see anything because I got my iPhone down on the paper because I want to start as a group, or however people get in here that's not trolling. I want to show y'all what to do. I see y'all coming in and out. That means y'all trolling and y'all not here for the right reason. So I'll start in a minute. And if I got to talk to myself and teach myself, then that's all as well. I'm okay with it. So it's 3:30 in Michigan. So I'll start in a minute. And if you are on here and you ready, let me know. Like I said, you can start setting up your paper for whatever y'all got for the mid 3-digit. And then y'all can see what y'all got for yesterday Eve. But right now, this is just for Michigan, but it can be used for any state. Let me know when y'all ready. If not, I'll talk to myself and y'all can watch this live video again while I start on y'all Eve rundowns, Michigan. And again, y'all will have homework for this 3-digit. All right, it's 3:30 now. I'll be starting in a minute. If you are on here and you are ready, let me know. I'm not going back, so you get in where you fit in. I'm about to show y'all how to do the 3-digit, like I just showed y'all how to do the 4-digit, and I'm about to show y'all how to back test. I'll start at 3:32. If y'all not gathered in by then, y'all just have to spin a block. Y'all will have to spin a block and figure it out. All right, we got one person. I waited long enough, so let's go. So basically, from the 4-digit one that I showed y'all, this first method is going to be +1 -1. So 9 plus 1 will give you 10. 0 plus 1 will give you 1. 6 plus 1 will give you 7. Y'all remember I told you your original hit should be in red. So let's go to the next side. 9 minus 1 is 8. 0 minus 1, remember that's a 10 because we only use your number on your right hand side. So 10 minus 1 will give you 9. 6 minus 1 will give you 5. So off that 906, Michigan could get 017 for Eve, 895 for Eve. Now we're going to pull the numbers out. 098, 109, 765. So remember, we go across first, and now we do our boxes. Same thing like we did for the 4-digit. 090, 091, 989, 980, 106, 107, 095, 096. Hopefully y'all got that because I know y'all eye hustling. and it say more than only one person out here, but it's more than one person. So this is how you will pull your 3 digits out of your 3-digit hit. Now with this, you can also pull out your 4-digit hits. So remember, we're doing our boxes. You should have 4 boxes. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 boxes. So just like with the 4-digit, 0900, okay, so you will do 0901, 0901. You remember, you go the original way. Then you come spin a block on your left hand side, 0109. Then you spin a block again on your right hand side, 9010. That's your first box. I put in 1, let you know that's your first box. Then you move next door, 9890. You go to your left hand side, you spin a block, 9098. You spin the block again on your right hand side, you get 8909. That's your second box. To pull your third box out, you go the original way I taught you with the 4-digit, 1067. Spin the block on your left hand side, you do 1760. Spin the block on your right hand side, 0176. You got 1 more box left. I'll do it up here. You go the original way, 0956. You go on your left hand side, you spin the block, 0659. And then you go your last spin on your right hand side, 9065. And you're done. You see, that was way easier than it was with your 4-digit. So these are the possibilities of that 906. If you overstand it, give me a thumbs up and I'll move to the next one. Because I see 4 people eye hustling. So if you understand how to do the 3-digit, like I showed you the 4-digit, let me know. And then we'll move to the method of +3, -3, or +2, -2. If not, then I'll continue to talk to myself and teach myself, and you could just watch the video again. So we're doing the same thing, but this time we're doing +3, -3. So 9 and 3 is 12. 0 plus 3 is 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. So using that method off of 906, Michigan could possibly get 239 for Eve. Same thing. 9 minus 3 is 6. Remember, that's a 10 because you're only using a 0 from your right hand side. So 10 minus 3 will give you 7. Y'all see I had to use my fingers because 7, 8, 9, 10. That's fine. And then 6 minus 3 will give you 3. So off that 906, we could get 239 or 673 for Eve. Hopefully you got that. If not, watch the video again. I see y'all watching, but nobody is saying nothing. So I'll continue to teach myself, and I'll pull the digits out by myself. Now, what I did forget to do on this side, which I apologize, we're going to pull the 3-digit out this way first. So we got 296, we got 307, and we got 963. So if I was to go on this side, oh yes, I did 0109 765. Whoopsie. Okay, so that's our first 3 digits that we get off of it. So then we start doing our squares. Come on, big brother. First square, 290. Second square, 293. Move next door, 967. 960. Move down here, 306. 309. You move right here, 073. And you move 076 will be your last 3-digit that could possibly come off that 906. Hopefully you enter and overstand it. Let's go up here since we don't have room and pull out your 4 digits. 2903. Spin the block on your left hand side, 2309. Spin the block again on your right hand side and we got 9230. You move to your next square, we got 9670. Spin the block on your left hand side, we got 9076. Spin the block again on your right hand side, we got 6907. Next, you're going to go to your next square. We got 3069. Spin the block on your left hand side, we got 3960. Spin the block one more time, we got 0396. Hold on. 0396. Now you go to your last square, 0736, which would be the original side or the original direction. You spin the block on your left hand side, we got 0637. Spin the block again, you got 7063. Now that is complete. You see it's not that many numbers like we did with the 4-digit. That was the +1 -1 method, +3 -3 method. Now with this one, it's the same way. 9 and 2 is 11. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7, because 7 and 2 is 9. Remember, this is a 0, but it's actually a 10. We only use the number on your right hand side. So 10 minus 2 is 8, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So off that 906 Michigan Gap, we could get 128 or 784. Now let's pull your numbers out. Going across first, 197, 208, 864. Now we start doing our boxes. 190, 192, 978, 970. Your next box, 206. Hold on, my pen giving up on life. Okay, 206, 208. Bro, hold on, y'all. Having technical difficulties. 208. For your last square, 084, 086. That's all the 3 digits that could possibly come off this 906. Now let's pull your 4 digits out. You know we're doing our boxes again. 1902, which would be 1902. Spin the block on your left hand side, 1209. Spin the block one more time on your right hand side, 9120. You move next door, you go your original side, 9780. You go on your left hand side, 9087. And then you spin the block one more time on your right hand side, 7908. Yeah. I'm going to write the rest of that on another piece of paper for the rest of them because we don't have room. So you're going to go 2068, 2860, and 0286. Now for your last square, we're going to go the original way, 0846, 0846. You're going to spin a block on your left hand side, 0648, and your last spin will be 8064. So that will complete that. Now let me show you how to back test. Michigan got 331 for Eve. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. Let's see if that was up here anywhere. 442. Nope. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Let's see if we see 220 anywhere. Nope. So then we do the same thing and pull them out. Now look at that 432. It's on here twice, so you know that's hot. And we got 432 as a possibility for today in my midday rundown. So since you already got it twice, it's no need to do it no more. So you drop down to the last row, 210. There go 210 right here. 210. Y'all see that? 210. Ain't that the same as that? All right, let's keep going. We go to the top to start our squares. 433, 433, 434. Move next door. 322, 323. Let's see. 434. No. 322. No. Okay, so they didn't have anything. So we go 431. Come on, big brother. 431. 432. Extremely hot because they gave it to you 3 times. So that's a go-go for, I would say a go-go for Michigan Eve. Move next door. 320. 321. Look, 320 right here off the plus. Come on, big brother. I'm sorry, y'all. They making it blurry. 320. Ain't that the same as that? It was in our +3, -3 method. Let's keep it moving. 320. So that is done. These 3 digits could come from that 331, which we're back testing, which was yesterday's Eve number. So let's pull out our 4 digits. 4334. 4433. You spin the block one more time. 3443. You move next door. 3223. 3322. And then 2332. You see it's not that many numbers like we did with the 4 digit. So you go 4312, 4213. Spin the block one more time on your right hand side. 3421. Now you got one more thing to do. One more box. You would do 3201. 3102. Spin the block one last time. 2310. Now let's go up here and see if we see in our 4 digits up here. Hold on. Oh, I got 2. Hold on, that wasn't it. 2310. Let's see, 3421. Sometimes it's in there, sometimes it's not. So that's how you will complete the +1, -1. So I'm gonna write this on a whole new piece of paper. Hold on. Remember, we're back testing. So Michigan got 331 yesterday eve, and we're going to +3 on this side, and we're going to -3 on this side. And then we're going to +2, -2 on this side, 3, 3, 1. So same thing like we did the other one. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we could have got 6, 6, 4 for midday today. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Remember, this is 11 because we only use your number on your right hand side. So 11 minus 3 is 8. Michigan could have got 6, 6, 4 for midday or 0, 0, 8 for midday. So again, you see 630 is twice. So that lets you know that 630 is hot. You don't need to write it another time because it's already there. 418 will be your last from that. Now let's start pulling out your boxes. 633, 633, 636, 300, 303. Your next box, 631, 634, 308, 301. Hopefully y'all got it. If not, watch the video again. I see y'all looking. Nobody is saying nothing. Hopefully y'all learning. So that's all our 3 digits that could have came off that 331. We're back testing again for Eve. So let's pull out your 4 digits. Remember, you go the original way. 6, 3, 3, 6. Look, 6, 3, 3, 6. You spin your block on your left hand side. We got 6, 6, 3, 3. You spin a block on your right hand side. We got 3, 6, 6, 3. That box is complete. You move next door. We got 3, 0, 0, 3. We have 3, 3, 0, 0. And we have 0, 3, 3, 0. That box is complete. You move down to your third box. You got 6, 3, 1, 4. Spin a block on your left hand side. We got 6, 4, 1, 3. Spin a block one more time. We got that 3, 6, 4, 1. Now you have one more square to do to complete this whole TikTok. So the original way would be 3, 0, 8, 1. Spin your block on your left hand side, 3, 1, 8, 0. And your last spinner block will be 0, 3, 1, 8. Now that is complete. You see how it's way easier than we had the 4 digit because we had more squares to pull out numbers from. But these could have been the possibility for midday today for Michigan. Even though they didn't come today, they still have to come. So the last one I want to show y'all is what happens when we do +2 -2 to it. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we could have got 5, 5, 3. So then you subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Remember, this is an 11 because we only use the number on your right hand side. So 11 minus 2. Hold on, that's above my head. 11 minus 2 would give you 9. So we could have got 553 or 119. So it looked like in here is where our doubles is all at. They really didn't give us that many doubles on that side. So you start pulling it out. 531 is hot because you got it twice. 531, 531. There's no need to write it again. So you jump down to the last row. 319. Once that is complete, you start pulling your numbers out. 533, 533, 535, 311, 313. Hey, Detroit. 531. It's hot, so that's the third time. So you know that is sizzling. So 531 would be a go for E for Michigan because it's on there 3 times. 531, 533 is sizzling. It's on there again. So you know that will be a most definitely go for Eve for Michigan today. Move next door. We got 319, 319, 311. So now you started pulling out your 4 digits. Remember, we have 4 squares that we need to do. So 5335 is our original way. Spin a block on your left-hand side, 5533. And then you go on your right-hand side and you spin a block, 3553. That square is complete. Let's move next door. We got 3113. Wouldn't that go with that 313 or this? So you know your X will be a 3. You remember I told y'all could get your 4 digit out of your 3 digit? And there we go. 311, you put an X, and now you know your X was a 3. Hopefully y'all got that and it didn't go over your head. So 3113 was the original way. Spin the block on the left hand side, we got 3311. Spin the block on your right hand side, we got 1331. Go to our next box, we got 5313. Wouldn't that go with that 313? So your X will be a 5. Hope that didn't go over your head. 5313. 5313. 5313 again. So you know that's hot. If you want to write it over again, cool. If not, you could just put hot, meaning it's on there more than one time. Spin the block on your right hand side. 3531. Go to your last square. 3191 would be your original way. On your left hand side, we got 3. Come on, big brother. 3191. Hold on, y'all. Three, 191 and 3191. Now you spin a block for your last time. 1319. And you are done. So now what I would do is, now that I have this, I will go see where my numbers came from Michigan. So we got 906. It wasn't in those methods. Hold on. 906. And hold on. And we got 8437. So let's see. Eight, 437. They didn't pull them out yet. But that's how you would do for the 3 digit. Hopefully y'all enter and overstand. You do it for your state. Y'all wasn't comment, so hopefully y'all was learning. Do your state, back test it, and email me what y'all got.